Okay, hello guys. We are back with another recipe. My husband is making chili from scratch. And guess what we're using for the meat? Leftover Thanksgiving turkey. Got that right, guys. Yeah.
Take the skin off.
Okay. And he is grinding it up with an old hand grinder. All right. And look at it. It's finally, look at how it's chopping up the turkey. And we're going to put as much as we can in the chili. That's right, guys. We are making turkey chili. Look at that. Honey, don't. It's supposed to stick to the table, and it could be because it's wood instead of metal or a smoother surface. The reason why it's not sticking. My husband is holding on to it for dear life.
Don't get your fingers caught in there.
Yeah, right, babe. Don't get your fingers caught. But look at that. Nice bite-sized nuggets of turkey. So we got white meat and I don't know. Are we putting dark meat in there too or just...
We'll mix it up.
Okay, we're going to have both dark meat and white meat in the turkey. In the turkey. I mean in the chili, guys. Alright. I'm going to give you a better look at the meat grinder. Honey, just add some more some more turkey in there. I don't know, maybe one day we'll get a different manual one.
I had an idea earlier, but I didn't know if I wanted to try it or not.
What's that?
DeWalt drill.
Oh, yeah. I think that would definitely work. Look, guys, it's coming out like popcorn. Honey, will you please move your big nuggets, big nubs, so I can show them? Okay, this is the one that we're using. What? Do you know what brand it is, babe?
No.
Oh, wow.
It's on there somewhere.
Yeah, this is the manual one hand crank. Do it say?
I don't see anything.
That's okay.
I found it on Amazon.
Oh, Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys. We'll be back. Oh yeah, guys. All right, honey. Babe, what we got in the chili? Low sodium, dark red kidney beans. What else?
Light red kidney beans.
Light red kidney beans.
And
Onions.
bell pepper.
Bell pepper, red, orange, yellow, green.
And
Yellow onions.
black pepper.
Black pepper.
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Chili hot beans.
Chili hot beans. You can get those from Jules. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can show you what the can looks like. Some diced tomatoes with green chilies. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. My husband threw the can in the garbage. But anyway, yeah, at Jules you can get different types of beans with that they made in the chili sauce. I saw pinto beans in mild chili sauce. I saw black beans in mild chili sauce. So, I mean, if you want to try it with different beans, go check it out. I had no idea until today that you could get different types of beans in the chili sauce to add to your chili. All right, guys, we'll be back. But don't that look deliciousness, guys? I wish you could smell it. It smells deliciousness too. All right, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, the chili is ready. Look at all that steam coming off of there. You can see the beans and the bell peppers and the onions. Oh my gosh. Look at all that goodness. See it, guys? All right, now hold on. Now, this is my husband's bowl.
One.
He said one, but he'll probably have a second, possibly a third. What's your numbers, babe?
128.
128. Those are his glucose numbers. They are low enough for him to have a couple of bowls of this chili. And it is chucked full of goodness and nutrition and vitamins and minerals.
And it's my idea.
And it's
Everybody gonna love it.
yeah. Now this is what you're supposed to have on a nice cold winter's night. Snowy night. My hubby said snowy. So both of us are gonna cuddle up in some blankets and have us a nice bowl of fresh, hot, homemade chili. Don't it look deliciousness, guys? I wish you could smell it. Now tell me, a couple of bowls of this is not enough to fill a hungry belly. From my family to yours.
As long as you don't smell it afterwards.
Oh, my husband is talking about as long as you don't smell it afterwards. You know what that means, guys. Happy eating. My mistake, guys. This is my bowl. And this is my husband's bowl. 3 times the size. Greedy bastard.
You ain't right.
Okay, guys. Until next time, happy eating.